Explore and entertain the world. Present a new video.
The beauty in the world. The beauty in the world is an intricate tapestry woven with threads of wonder and diversity. It's found in the grandeur of nature, the resilience of life, and the expressions of human creativity. It manifests in myriad forms, transcending cultural boundaries and resonating with the human spirit. In nature, beauty unfolds in breathtaking landscapes, from the majestic peaks of snow-capped mountains to the gentle meander of a crystal-clear river. It's witnessed in the vibrant hues of a sunrise and the serene stillness of a sunset. The intricate patterns of a butterfly's wings and the delicate petals of a flower are nature's poetry, captivating our senses. Life, in all its forms, contributes to the symphony of beauty. The grace of a gazelle in motion, the playful dance of dolphins in the ocean, or the intricate craftsmanship of a spider's web, each is a testament to the artistry inherent in the living world. The resilience of life, its ability to adapt and thrive, adds another layer to its inherent beauty. Human creativity paints the world with hues of innovation and expression. It's in the strokes of a masterful painting. The beauty in the world is not just a visual spectacle, it's an immersive experience that engages all our senses. It's the taste of a perfectly crafted dish, the fragrance of blooming flowers, and the sensation of cool breeze against our skin. It's the culmination of the tangible and the intangible, a harmonious blend that evokes a profound sense of awe and appreciation. In recognizing and celebrating the beauty in the world, we find a source of inspiration, solace, and connection. It's a reminder that, despite the challenges and complexities, there exists a reservoir of splendor waiting to be discovered and cherished. The beauty in the world invites us to be present, to marvel, and to be grateful for the gift of existence in this vast and wondrous tapestry of life. Thank you so much for tuning in. Your support means the world. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care, stay tuned, and happy watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.